Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. We talked about soybeans yesterday. Now, this is soybean oil, and it's even worse. Look at that nasty red candle from Friday. So clearly, we've been above that this whole time. I mean, for months and months. So let's go back in history and find out where we have come from and see what we can find out. Okay, so here, that would have been your first target to the downside. We've already surpassed that. What does that mean? It means let's go lower, and that's all the data that I have. So if you happen to like shorting, check out the soy selections. There's soy, there's soybean oil, there's soy meal. So you have your pick of what you'd like to trade. This one, though, the oil got destroyed the worst on Friday. It's down over 5% on the day. That's pretty nasty. This week, I'll be doing a webinar on wealth. If you've ever wanted to define your relationship with money as it's complicated, you're definitely going to want to be on this free class that's happening on Thursday night. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.